Got this electric push mower for Ryobi.
The blades on are not the best. I haven't cut anything too much with it. I bought it used. I had to fix this axle here. A little piece that you weld on from the inside broke off, and it would just scrape when you're riding it with it. And I haven't really tried it out too much. That's where the batteries are supposed to go. It's a 40 volt, so I ordered the batteries for it, and this is the start key for it, which I didn't have either, so I had to order that. I got it off of my uncle. It's pretty simple. Pull these pins out on both sides. Once you get those both pins out, it'll fold up. And you got to put these pins back in so you can push it around. This one is a self-propelled. Got the, depending on what speed you want. I haven't really tried it. I'm gonna get a bagger for it, because right now it's just got a mulcher pushing it in. So the bagger will hook on both of these and back out, so I can bag up the grass for raising the blades, depending on how high you cut the grass. It does have a light. I'm not sure if that works or not, because I didn't have any Ryobi batteries, so I had to order that. I only have DeWalt, and this is also a 40 volt, so. Brushless 20-inch. We'll see how that comes when the batteries come in.